Hi everybody, this is my recipe for steamed pot roast. So to make it, I have in the same pot that I will cook it in, I have one whole chicken cut into small pieces and four medium-sized potatoes cut into small pieces. Um, and then I'll show you the spices. So I have a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, and tablespoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of lemon pepper, and tablespoon of oregano, and a tablespoon of paprika. As you can see, I've added a few more spices to this roast because it's a roast, and because I wanted it to like I just wanted the dry ingredients in there rather than having anything like yogurt or any liquid like that. It just turns out better because I'm cooking it on the stove. So again, that's the lemon pepper, I think, and then that's the garlic powder and black pepper, red chilies, and the salt. And then I also have about a half a cup of lemon juice, and I have 1/4 cup of canola oil. And then I will mix all these ingredients into the chicken and the potatoes. There, I've added all the spices, and I'm just going to add the lemon and the oil. Um, I have the chicken cut into small pieces because it cooks faster, and I like the turnout better on the stove top rather than baking it in the oven, because in the oven sometimes it gets really dry and I find I have to marinate it longer. But this, I will just put my spices and all the ingredients on and just start cooking it right away. And I won't be left with too much gravy because I can just turn up the heat and cook the gravy so it gets drier. But the chicken doesn't get dry. The chicken is very nice, tender, and moist. So here you can see I'm just mixing everything together with the heat very high. So I'm just waiting for the lemon juice and the oil to start sizzling at the bottom, and that's how I know the heat is where I want it to be. And then I'll so once I know it's like the pot is hot enough, I will turn the heat to a low. So here I'm just showing you everything mixed together, and then I will cover it for a bit until everything starts cooking. And once I see the pan is really it's getting hot, I will turn the heat down and cover the pot completely. So here I'm still waiting for, but I didn't marinate it for long. I mean, not even like 5 minutes. So here I have everything in there, and I'll show you how the so there I see the sizzle underneath the potatoes and the chicken, and that just tells me that I can just cover and lower the heat to a low medium like setting. There, it's covered, and then I'm just going to leave it there for the next half an hour. And I'll show you, it cooks really fast because the chicken is cut up into small pieces, and the flavors and because when you have the chicken in small pieces, the flavor you can taste the flavor more. Otherwise, like if you have the big pieces, then the chicken is very bland from the inside. So here, after half an hour, you can see I still have a bit of a gravy in there, which I don't want. I mean, I want it a little bit like a little paste, but not actually gravy in there. The potatoes are soft, they are perfectly done. But I just, because I want the gravy, less gravy, I'm just gonna turn the heat really high, cook it for about next 5 to 10 minutes. So in 40 minutes, like, this is done. So I'm just gonna, there, it's cooking on a high heat now, and it's there. The potatoes are still nice and soft. Thank you for watching. This is my recipe for today.